everyone. So, excuse them what? Here we are coming down the bumpy dirt track. But this track leads us. I hope it's the right one. The last couple of times I'm down the wrong one. Right, so this leads us to a gorgeous venue called Lim Veil. Lim Veil, guys. Now, that is through the Lymm Angling Society Club. So, I have now got my ticket for the year, which has gave me plenty of lakes to go and fish. Give me quite a fair bit. Sorry about the wobbliness, guys. I'm breaking down, man. That was a bit funny. Right, so anyway. Yeah, so it's going to give me loads of tickets, loads of places to fish with this ticket. Oh my god, this road's not that good though. But yeah, so plenty of footage, plenty of fishing everywhere. But yeah, so when we get down the bottom in a minute. Well, I think this little guy is definitely my dad saying hello. Is it you, Dad? Yeah. Have a poo on my bucket, why don't you, pal? Yeah, babe. There we go, everyone. Right, thank you very much for joining onto the YouTube channel. Not joining, jumping on it. I should apologise. So this is Lim Veil, guys, on the Lymm Angling Club ticket. So this rod here that I've got out is on a zig, and that is on the Fruity Tooty pop-ups that we do. These here. I've then got my middle one out on a tiger nut pop-up on a Ronnie rig with a PVA bag with broken down tiger nut boilie, and then on my right one I've got a secret spice pop-up on a Ronnie rig with broken down secret spice boilies and a PVA bag as well, guys. I've had couple of little knocks on both of these rods here, nothing yet on the zig, but yeah, it's all looking good. It is now 4 o'clock, been in the water for 2 hours, no, not even 2 hours, an hour, been in the water for an hour. So yeah, I shall keep you all posted. Please don't be afraid to go and take a look at Diablo Baits on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Whatever boilies you want doing, they'll make them. Whatever sizes, they'll make them. If you've got any ideas of flavourings yourself, tell them and see what they can do them for you, because they will custom make your boilies for you. We do pop-ups, wafters, glugs, particle, pellets, so it's well worth having a look. Cheapest around, and you know what, I literally have every ounce of confidence in Diablo Baits, so don't be afraid, go and take a look. Also Shropshire Leads as well, Shropshire Leads, guys. Get in touch with Shropshire Leads there on Facebook and also Instagram. Right, unreal. Dead cheap leads, but they're not cheaply looking and they're not cheaply made either. he just doesn't put carb tax on them, but you're paying up the nose. These ones, you're not even paying £1 of lead, so it's well worth taking a look as well. Start saving some money, guys. You know, come over to these people that have sponsored me. So Diablo Beta sponsored me. 322 carp I had, 323 sorry, carp I had out last year on Diablo Baits. £8 a key on the boilies, £5 a pot on the afters and the pop-ups, £5 for a 250ml bottle of glug. You know, it's, you're not going to get that anywhere else. You know, it's well worth taking a look. So yeah, just don't be afraid, go and have a look, join on the Facebook pages and start saving money. So yeah, here it is, guys. Beautiful Lim Veil. See you soon. Robin's come back and he's been sat on this rod now for about 4 minutes. Is that you, Dad? It's definitely me dad, that. They always say a loved one comes and sees you. Oh, look at the little fella. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Oh my God, does everyone see that? It's my dad. Hello, come on then. Come on, come in. Here we go, come on. Oh, he's right. So you guys probably a bit confused up. Coming up a lane again on the same session on this. Well, not same session. Going up the lane again on the same video. Last Friday when I came, I need to make everybody aware of something. To make everyone aware of something. Basically, I've dropped the size of my bivvy from a 2-man XL down to a small 1-man. Now, when I've always been in my big bivvy, I've always cooked all my food right by the door, just behind the little shield bit, but I had my door half open. Thought I could do that in a little 1-man bivvy. No, didn't happen. So basically, I gave myself carbon monoxide poisoning, and I was extremely close to falling asleep. But then Cody rang me. Luckily enough, when I answered the phone, and then as I was talking to her, everywhere started spinning. So that's when I realised obviously something wasn't right. Now, it wasn't for her calling me. It possibly could have been a worse experience. I might not even be here now telling you. So, for those that have done it in the past and had the bivvy door half opened or letterboxed and the cooking, thinking, yeah, get a little bit warm as well on a cold evening or a cold night, just don't do it. Just don't take it a chance. Just put an extra bit of clothing on and stay warm that way, guys, because they proper scared me last week. So this is why we're coming back down the lane again now, and we'll show you the obviously show you everything once we're set up as well. See you soon, guys. Alright guys, right, just a quick one. Welcome back to Lim Veil. Come back, obviously wasn't too well last week, so I had to pack up early on the Friday. So yeah, come back here following Friday, so the footage will be back on for Wednesday the 13th. I've got my left rod out already now. I'll put a coconut pop-up from Diablo Baits on there, a white coconut one, which is there. So that's out there on that one. I am gonna put the peach and pepper Scopex on me middle rod. That's going 9.5 wraps out. Just found a nice little gravel bar, so I'm just gonna put some couple of spots of bait out now on top of that. In that area now, obviously before I'll put my rod in, leave it for the 20 minutes and then get my rod out onto it then. So yeah, I'll just go and take it over now while I'm doing a little bit of spotting, guys. Let's get this all set up, the camera. Make sure you can see. So bear with me, let's see how I turn this camera around.